Hi, my name is Humaira Bintes Mura. Today, me and my friend Muhammad Sarin bin Zabit are going to explain about oscilloscope and function generator. First, I'm going to introduce oscilloscope. Oscilloscope is a device that allows the amplitude of electrical signal, whether they be voltage, current, power, to be displayed primarily as a function of time, the basic instrument for the study all types of waveforms. The next picture is level of oscilloscope, but there's only four front oscilloscope control, which is display, horizontal control, vertical control, and trigger control. Next, I'm going to explain a step to calibration process of oscilloscope. First, switch on this OSC and put the probe to the input. Touch the hook tip probe to the CEL and crocodile clip the probe to the ground. Make sure the selection mode same with input. Select volt per division same with the value of CEL. Select time per division 0.5 minutes. It will get F to 1 kHz. At screen, the waveform appear is square wave. Next, I'm going to explain the front panel of oscilloscope. Just like I said, display control, vertical control, horizontal control, and trigger control. Display control. An oscilloscope front panel includes a display screen and the knobs, buttons, switches, and indicators used to control signal display. It also includes input connector. Vertical control can be used to position and scale the waveform vertically. Also can be used to set the input coupling and other signal conditioning. Horizontal control. An oscilloscope's horizontal system is most closely associated with its acquisition of an input signal, normally for digital oscilloscope. Sample rate and record length are among the consideration here. Horizontal control are used to position and scale the waveform horizontally. Last but not least, trigger control. An oscilloscope horizontal function synchronize the horizontal sweep at the correct point of the signal, essential for clear signal characteristic. The trigger makes to stabilize repetitive waveform and capture signal short waveform.
Assalamualaikum to Madam Siti Salmia. My name is Muhammad Sarin. Now I will be presenting about function generator. A function generator is one of a class of electronic device that generates electrical signals with set properties of amplitude, frequency, and wave shape. These generated signals are used as stimulus for electronic measurement, typically used in designing, testing, troubleshooting, and repairing electronic or electroacoustic device, though it often has artistic uses as well.
As you can see in this picture, these are some of the levels of function generator. First, in function generator, there are power switch. The function of power switch are: the power switch apply powers to the function generator. Second, there are power on indicator. The function of power on indicator is a light emitting diode, which is LED, is used to indicate when power is applied to the function generator. Thirdly, frequency selection group. It consists of frequency range. We need to set the frequency required, for example 1, 10, 100, 10K, 100K, or 1 MHz. Other than that, there are also frequency selector, which is time the value of the frequency range with frequency selector get the frequency required. Fourthly, there are amplitude modulation group. It consists of amplitude knob. Amplitude knob is to increase the amplitude of signal. This button should be adjusted by turn clockwise to increase the value of anti-clockwise to decrease the value in bracket millivolt.
Fifth, there are waveform group. It consists of waveform selector. We need to choose type of waveform, for example, either sine wave, rectangular, or triangle.
6. There are output group. It consists of square wave, triangle wave, sine wave, ramp and pulse waveform is provided. Use B and C connector. 7. These buttons are only in the digital function generator, which is sweep group. Sweep is used to set the frequency output. It could be swept up or down in frequency using linear or log sweep. That's all from us today. Thank you for listening to our presentation about oscilloscope and function generator.